Hello, and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Today I want to share with you this backpack I got from Eceen, Eceen, sorry. It looks like it's pretty well stitched. The ends aren't going to come loose. I've unzipped and zipped the pockets several times. I do like these pulls, I just don't like the color. I wish they would be not so bright, because if you are using it in a bad situation, you don't really want these bright colors to give you away. But it has a lot of space. It is a 68 liter, I believe, with an internal frame, so it's got all the areas. I'm gonna try. This is the cover for the top. I'm gonna try to undo this stuff all one-handed here. Whoa, sorry about that, everybody. It's got some molly on the front, a big nice area in the back. There's a zipper here for the internal. There's internal support on the back. So we got a nice pouch here, some water bottle pouches on the side. They got the belt straps with little pockets here. Still looking for the tripod piece, otherwise I would be showing this a little bit easier. Sorry about that. On the waist belt, on the chest part, they do have the clip with an emergency whistle on it. I have worn this a couple of times, not packed out, which I'm not going to end up probably using 68 liters, but it's nice to have the extra space in case I would ever need it. Both sides on the belt part that helps support some of the weight, they do have two small, fairly decent sized pockets, but they are the smallest of the pockets on here. Like I said, they have an internal frame. Let me get some of this. Sorry, Caber, it's gonna have to get on you for a minute. All right, and it's got airflow here, so it separates from the back of it's got nice padding. I thought it was, I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the internal support, but I did find that this was very nice and to have. I really do like that versus all the weight going to the bottom of the pack. It's got a lot of different adjustments to make sure that it fits you perfectly and comfortably. And a lot of airflow through this back part, which I hear is very important from my cousin that does the Appalachia Trail a lot of times. And let's see. It also comes with a foldable solar panel that hooks up onto the backpack. They send 4 carabiners. Nothing that you can climb with, of course. This is just to hold the solar panel onto the backpack or wherever else you would like to hang it from. And on this, it comes with, like I said, the clips and the power cable. I'm showing the light that we had before. Sorry, I haven't been watching where my camera is, so alright, okay, we're good. I'm going to use the light from before so I can show you how this charges. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed. Here's the cord. The cord also comes with it, and it slips right into, okay, stay back there so I can, oh, here we go. We'll just unzip it a little bit more on this side. There. Now we'll lay it back a little bit better. And we're going to slip this. This is a little flimsy. I'm not liking the fact that how flimsy it is. Now, can I get my mouth to say the right words? Alright, so we got that plugged in, and okay. I just had it going blue, so I'm not sure why it's not going blue now. I wanted to make sure that that would work before I turned on the video. Maybe it's fully charged. Anyways, it was lit up. Let's see if I turn this on for a second. Maybe it will start lighting up when I'm done. Here. Let's see, turn this around. And it just was lighting up blue. This part here where it charges, yeah, there it goes. Can you see the blue now? There. It just needed to run a bit so it could charge. There. It's hard to see on the camera, but it is blue, and it just turned off because it was... Oh, it's on. There it goes. Alright, it's just hard to show on the camera. I'm sorry, everybody. It is turning blue. It is charging. So the solar panel does charge, and it does charge turned over too, because that's how I did it the first time. But it works a lot better, obviously. I'm trying to unplug it now, which is hard to do one-handed. There we go. So the panel, it is pretty nice. I did like it. I let it charge a little bit in the sun because I wasn't sure if it needed to be done that way, because I didn't get any instructions with it. So I let it sit in the window, or hang in the window for a bit. So that works really nice. It does come with a little spot here to hang the thing with, if you like. I think if you get one of those suction cup things for the window, you could hang it in your window to charge too. But it hooks up onto the back of the backpack. There's lots of different places you could put it, I suppose. They usually show it right off of the back of the backpack, so clip it up. But here they have little bungees. Oh, you're not even seeing it. You can't even see it. There you go. Some bungees up here, which is probably where I would hang it from there. And I just noticed I was saying a lot. Very sorry. But anyways, it is a good backpack. It's really seems like it's held together very well. I mean, years and years down the road, I don't know how that's gonna go, but I definitely know that I've tugged on the things a little bit. They have some loops down here also, which I think would go with the solar panel a lot better. The solar panel works. I don't know how long it will take to charge something up, but if you're out hiking or backpacking, it's an easy way. Put it on your pack, let your electronics go. You could put your phone right in the pouch here, even if you wanted to. So it would be out of your way, or whatever else something small you were charging, it could fit in there because there's plenty of extra room in there. But also you could put it on your pack too, and it would do great, I think. I'm not seeing any manufacturer imperfections or anything. Like I said, the only thing I really didn't like too much about the pack was these bright colored poles, but those can easily be replaced if you wanted to. I checked all the zippers multiple times, running them through. They seem to be pretty good. Like I said, long term, I don't know. I have no clue. But right now, it looks really good. There's also another pocket up here to go in there. It does have a nice closure to keep, nice pull closure to get this closed and keep the kind of any moisture out of it. I think personally I will not that you have to, but I personally will probably replace it with paracord, just in case I ever need an extra little bit of cord. I could pull it out of here. But I would keep this cord in the bottom in case I did that. So that way I'd still have a place to close it, but I'd also have paracord in case I needed it for emergencies. Yeah, that's... Sorry I can't show it a little bit better. I would really like to show it a lot better. But I have nobody that will model it for me in the video. And I can't model it and record it. So hopefully this helps anybody. It is an Eceen product again. And there will be, if you stayed this long through this, there will be a giveaway of one. I have it in the bag yet still. Actually, it's over there, and you can kind of see the bag right there. It hasn't been opened yet. And if you'd please, I'm going to try to do the random generator, the random YouTube name picker thingy, whatever it is. So I'm going to need you to put hashtag I'm in, because I think the hashtags work a little bit better. And I will put it in the description exactly how I would like it on there, so that way that everybody's uniform. And because when I tried it last time, it was only saying that I had 8 and I had like 18. So I will keep track of the people that say hashtag I'm in. So just read in the description how I would like you to put the hashtag, and I will try to make sure that, like last time, everybody is put into the drawing for it. It is a nice backpack. You don't have to load it to the max. Like I said, it's 68 liters, so sometimes that is a lot for some of us that are disabled. But, you know, make sure you have your essentials in there. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make sure that I'm actually having 2. I have the one that I had gotten from a viewer, which I'm still very grateful for, and then I'm going to have this one. And that way I can at least be able to grab at least one of them, and they will, I'm going to have one put in a different area up high, so if, you know, anything happens like the water last time, I will still have one that's dry. So, yeah, I'm going to make 2 of them just to make sure that, you know, Cabri and I can get our stuff that we need. I don't get high-tech stuff, really. I try to buy products that I can afford. So a lot of times, you know, it's not very expensive stuff because I can't afford it. But something is better than nothing. And even if you get some of your items at the Dollar Tree, like I said, I do that too. So something is better than nothing. And you can always replace them as you go. If you get a little bit more money and you want to replace one of your items, you can do that too. Just don't let your finances stop you. If you can only afford $1 and you need something to make a shelter with, grab a $1 tarp. There's nothing wrong with that. You know, so that's what I'm gonna do. I can't afford to do pricey items, and seeing that I'm going to be doing 2 packs to make sure that we always have a dry pack, seeing that I can't afford the actual dry bags that go into these things yet, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it cheap, but at least I'll have something. So alright, I think it's a great item. I'm not sure how much it's going to hold up. It looks good though. I mean, it all looks sturdy and things, but you know, like, I don't know if I took this on a long, you know, trip, or I was constantly backpacking like my cousin does constantly. She's so hard on her equipment, but because she's out there doing stuff all the time, and you know, kayaking and walking the Appalachian Trail and, you know, that kind of thing. That's what this is supposed to be for, so I would assume, but, you know, assume always makes you a you-know-what out of yourself, so, but it looks good. I mean, it's got all the ends are finished, the zippers work really well, They're really smooth to go. I can even do them one-handed, with the pulls. It all looks pretty good. The stitching is all really good. You can't see it because it's all black stitching, but the stitching all looks good. I haven't seen a flaw in it yet, and I've been looking. Believe me, I've been looking. So alright, I will put that in the description down below, how I'd like you to enter if you're interested. If nothing else, at least for the, enter just at least for the solar panel. But it goes together. It's a nice little solar panel. You can use it in your apartments, in a grid down situation, or a power outage, that's coming up to winter. So power outage, hopefully I'm going to get this out pretty soon. I'm going to try for next week, hopefully, to get this started, and hopefully by November somebody will have one, and you guys will hopefully really enjoy this. I am excited to start putting stuff in this one. Alright, everybody, that's long enough. I'm sorry. Have a great day. May God bless you to overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you and your family safe. Bye for now.